This is the Portable Handheld Laser Printer, a compact all-in-one marking solution designed for precision and mobility. It consists of a touchscreen control unit and a handheld laser head. In the package, you'll find a protective laser safety cup, a pair of laser safety goggles with tinted lenses, a stylus pen, a USB flash drive, and the charger. With this device, you can mark barcodes, QR codes, text, serial numbers, or upload your own artwork. You can choose between outline or filled text modes, depending on the visual style you want. The screen clearly displays the real marking area, so there's no guessing about text size or position. On the laser head, the focusing cone projects a visible frame that shows exactly where the design will be engraved, ensuring precise positioning. A stylus pen is included for greater accuracy and comfort when operating the touchscreen. The cone also features ventilation holes that effectively remove smoke during engraving and keep the marking surface clean. The portable handheld laser printer is perfectly suited for metal surfaces and hard plastics, making it a practical solution for labeling, logo engraving, serial number marking, QR and barcode identification, and on-site customization. The system allows you to adjust laser marking speed to test and predict the final result. It's widely used for engraving tools, machine parts, nameplates, electronic housings, and industrial components. It delivers excellent results wherever durable, high contrast, and permanent markings are needed.
Nord Systems, inspection and quality control marking systems.